Hello my people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here we talk everything about business, lifestyle and everything in between. For those who are new here, my name is Anne. I'm an entrepreneur based in Rwanda, and in today's episode we're going to talk about pitches, specifically elevator pitch. Now let's quickly talk about the different pitches because sometimes people confuse them. There is elevator pitch, investor pitch, sales pitch, and long pitch. The elevator pitch is very short and direct. It's mostly for networking, quick meetings, or introduction. It takes between 30 seconds to 60 seconds. And an investor pitch, it focuses more on numbers. It shows the revenue, growth, scalability, and return. The sales pitch focuses more on the customer, the benefits, the urgency, and why they should buy from you. And for the long pitch is mostly for competition, and it is more structured. It shows the problem, the solution, the market size, impact, and your financials. So for the pitches, it's like you're talking about the same idea, but to different audience, and you have to have like different emphasis. Now let's dive into elevator pitch. I know you've been asked or you will be asked, what do you do? And suddenly your mind goes blank, or you start explaining, and after like 2 minutes, you are confused. And that's why you should always have an elevator pitch prepared. An elevator pitch is a simple, clear way to explain what you do. Like I said, it takes between 30 to 60 seconds. It's like you enter an elevator, you talk to someone, and then you're out. Those 30 seconds or 60 seconds, you have to make sure that you told someone what you do and they can understand what you do. Things that you should include in your elevator pitch. First of all, you should include the problem. What problem are you solving? What problem are you solving? And be specific, not the economy, but something specific and relatable. You should also include the solution. What exactly do you offer? Is it a service? Is it a product? Is it a platform? And just be specific with your solution. Who is it for? Who is your target market? And you should be more clear and very specific. Who is your target customer? Is it graduates? Is it small businesses? Is it stressed moms? Just make sure that it's very clear who you are targeting. It should also include the unique advantage or your uniqueness. Why are you different? And why should someone choose to buy from you and not the alternatives? And finally, you should also include your traction if you are a running business, or include your vision if you have not yet started. So here you will show if you would just say if you are growing. So do you already have users, or just explain your bigger goal that you're building towards to. Now let me give you a simple sentence format you can use to create your elevator pitch. You can start by saying that we help your target audience who struggle with the specific problem you are solving, and then by providing the solution you're providing. And like here you can include your competitors or the alternatives. We, the uniqueness, like your unique difference, and our goal is to your vision or the impact you want to make. So we help your target audience who struggle with specific problem by providing your solution. Unlike the competitor, we, the unique difference, our goal is the vision or the impact you are building towards to.
So here is another way you can formulate your elevator pitch. You can say we help your target market or your target customers move from the current struggle or the problem you are solving to the desired result or your vision by providing your solution or your product or service.
Yeah, as simple as that. The biggest mistake that people make when they're pitching is that they want to impress people more than just being clear. Trust me, if you feel like what you're explaining, you don't even understand it, no one else is getting it. So you need to be very clear. Even for people who are not in business, they can easily understand what you're talking about. So if you are building a business or you're trying to apply for different opportunities, you are preparing for investors, start with your elevator pitch. In my next videos, I will talk more about other pitches, and just start with your elevator pitch, because your first impression is like the first impression matters. So always be prepared to say what you do in a very short and clear way. And if you can say it in 1 minute, you can explain it anywhere. If this does help you, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share to your entrepreneur friend, and yeah, leave a comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.